Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine in your homes. So in our last session we completed our third chapter, that is maps. In this session I am going to start a new lesson for you, that is landforms and landforms of Andhra Pradesh. In this lesson you will come to know more about landforms, what are landforms, and also major landforms of Andhra Pradesh. So let's have a fun learning about landforms with a small conversation between grandpa and his grandchildren. Teja told her grandpa that today our social teacher told us about Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem of our country. What does it describe, grandpa? Grandpa answered, yes, it describes the glory of our country. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. When we hear the national anthem, we should feel proud. Teja's brother Shashi also joined them and asked his grandpa, Grandpa, do we have our state song? Then grandpa replied, yes, we have state song, that is మా తెలుగు తల్లికి మల్లెపూ దండ. Sashi questioned curiously, what does it describe, grandpa? Then grandpa replied, it describes the rivers and the rich heritage of our state and describes the relief of the region. Children like you must learn about all these things and lifestyle which reflects patriotism and national integrity. Teja questioned that relief of the region? What does it mean, grandpa? Grandpa said, yes, it means the shape of the surface of the earth. In other words, we call landforms. The lifestyle, food habits and dressing patterns are different according to the region. After that, Sasi asked his grandpa that, how can we identify these landforms, grandpa? Grandpa replied that all these places where we live may not be having uniform landforms. It may vary from high elevation to plain land, even valleys. When we travel from one place to another place, we may observe different levels in land shape, like plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, valleys, etc. These land shapes are called landforms. Landforms can be mainly categorized into plains, plateaus, and mountains or hills. These main landforms may contain several micro landforms. The height of the landforms are measured from mean sea level. You can see different landforms in the picture. Now, let us learn about main landforms one by one. First one is mountain. A mountain is a natural higher elevated feature of the earth's surface. The mountains may have a small summit and a broad base. It is higher than the surrounding area. Some mountains are even higher than the clouds. As we go higher and higher altitudes of mountains, the climate becomes cold. India has several huge mountain ranges like Himalayas. In Andhra Pradesh, majority of high landforms are hills. Now, Plateau. A plateau is an elevated flat land. It is a flat topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. A plateau may have one or more sides with steep and gentle slopes. Some plateaus around the world exist at such great heights that their climate is harsh and living conditions are unsuitable. Some plateaus at lower elevation offers more favorable conditions to live. The Deccan Plateau in India is the oldest plateau and it is of volcanic origin. The larger part of Rayalaseema comes under Deccan Plateau region. Generally, plateaus contain rich minerals in it. As a result, many of the mining areas are located in the plateaus. Limestone, manganese, asbestos, iron ore, gold, diamonds, graphite, dolomite, quartz, and silica sand are the minerals available in plateaus. The Deccan Plateau is a lava plateau. The plateaus contain many minerals in it. You already know that. The lava plateau are rich in black soil. The lava plateaus are fertile and good for cultivation of cotton. Many plateaus have scenic spots and are of great tourist attraction. Do you know, students, the Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau in the world with a height of 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the mean sea level. In India, huge reserves of iron, coal, and manganese are found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now, plains. Plains are level lands with a flat surface which have maximum height of 200 meters above the sea level. These are densely populated areas. Because of fertile soil, the plains are highly productive. Construction of transportation is very easy on plains. Plains are the most suitable areas for human living, as these flat lands are suitable for building houses. Plains are suitable for cultivation also. Indo-Gangetic plains of India are world famous, and several small delta plains are also found in other river courses of India. Okay, students, this is about main landforms. In the next session, I will be there with the continuation topics. Allah Hafiz.